Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Let's add one of our meadow overlays. This beautiful stock image here, gorgeous little girl with daisies. Let's add some coloured meadow flowers. I'm going to apply using the actions, but you can also apply using by hand. Please do watch video tutorial number 1 where I walk you through it. This is more of a showcase of what can be done if you'd like to see. So I'm going to hit the apply floral flamer action. And we're going to open up the bluebells and meadow flowers. If you haven't downloaded these already, you can do so on the LSP Actions website. How about we go for meadow foreground number 2? And that's it, done. Before and after. Let's add a different one. How about we go for number 4, meadow foreground here. You can just drag and resize to fit your image if it doesn't completely come in. We can also add a blur to this if we want to really blur it into the foreground, and hit OK. Super simple. Let's add one of the meadow foreground blur flowers. These ones are already blurred for you and add a really beautiful pop of colour to your image. And because a layer mask is selected for you, I'm just going to take the brush flow down a little bit. You can paint these off anywhere you don't want them to show. Beautiful. And you can also layer them up too. Each one is its own separate layer, you can just move them around. Boom! Really, really pretty and really simple. To watch the full tutorial, please do watch video tutorial number 1, which shows you how to download these, extract them, how to get started with them in general. There are lots of different florals over on the LSP Actions website. This is the Bluebells and Meadows pack. So I hope you love them. Thanks for watching.